Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some crushed glass home decor items. So what you're going to need some icy gems, and they are from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 Pedestal Tealight holders, 2 asymmetrical Tealight holders. You will need a round glass candle holder plate. You will need a round mirror from Dollar Tree. You're also going to need either a pair of the round Tealight holders from Dollar Tree, or you could use some thrifted Tealight holders instead. And from Michael's, I have some crushed glass. Now I will be using both hot glue and tacky glue on this project. So if you want to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make them permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I decide to use any additional items, they will be listed in the description box below as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these glam home decor items turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Okay, well there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.